Hello everybody, I got a double unboxing to do tonight, plus a extra little item to the right there. You can see those red and green packages. I watched RollingTardis the other day and he found some replacement miniature light bulbs on a website called HoardToFindItems.com. That's what's in the top box. The bottom box is from Christmas Lights, etc. They had a 40% off sale here this last weekend, so I stocked up on some things I will be needing. But first off, let's get into this hard to find items box. See what we got here. First bag, I've got some multicolored 2.5 volt 200 milliamp bulbs, and they have yellow and orange, so that's cool. Next box, or next bag I mean, I've got 50 blue replacement bulbs because the seems like the blue ones seem to fade out quicker than the rest. These are 2.5 volt 200 milliamps as well. Look like they have a nice thick coating of blue on them, so they ought to be nice and dark. And I got a second package of those as well. What do we got next? 2.5 volt 100 milliamp. I've got to experiment with some of these and see which ones work better in some of my applications. I think I have these strands that take different types of bulbs. So some of them will blow out immediately. And then I got some with 170 milliamps as well. So that's my starter pack. If I like these, I'll get some more. My next find, I have a lot of light strands that take these 6 to 8 volt bulbs, those 20 strand or 35 strand, somewhere in that range, with the reflectors. These seem to work pretty well in those sets. I've got several packages of those. I have some already, but I got some more. Can't ever have too many items in the hoard to keep all this old stuff going that I've got. So there's that. Here's Christmas Lights, etc. That's one of my all-time favorites from way back when. Been getting the stuff from them for years. Let's see what we got here. This is commercial grade C7 strand. I have one on the side of the house that's not working very well, so I'm going to be replacing it with this. I think it's got 10 or 15 lights. What is this? It doesn't say. It will on the invoice. I've got some light strands, the ones right in front of the house here. Those strands are about 25 years old now, and they're really starting to get flaky, so I got 2 commercial strands of 25. I could have got 50, but the way I store them, that would be way too big of a bundle, so I'm just going back with like I had it. And they threw in some string light tips. I'll look that over. Been doing this all my life, but you never know, there's something I can learn And then I got a package of C7 twinkle bulbs. Can't ever have enough of those. There's another one of these short C7 strands. I think I ordered 3 of those. May come up with another idea. Who knows? So good to have those. And there's my other 25 strand. Picked up an extra white strand in case the one gets flaky on the front porch with those internally coated C7 bulbs. I've had that in service 4 or 5 years now. It's no problems. And there's the third short strand of C7s. Picked up a couple packages of commercial mini lights, incandescent. Hey, look at that beefy wiring on there. That's awesome. Yes, those look like good quality. Much better than I would find in the box stores. And then there's the second package. I wouldn't have gotten them normally, but they were on sale. So, heck yeah. Beautiful. More stuff to add to my hoard. Oh, we're not done yet. I found some reflectors. I had some that were getting bad, so got some of those. And I found some ceramic coated GE C7 bulbs, probably from the early 70s, including pink. Two pink ones. The bag, there's some ceramic ones in there. I picked these up at Walmart. They're $1.50 now, so this bulk bag I bought, they were quite a bit cheaper than that per bulb. They cost more, but I got more bulbs. We're not done yet. I have a package of these internally coated C7 bulbs from GE. These are the ones I use on the porch. I didn't have very many white ones, so glad to have got some of those. I got 3 red ones, and there's some ceramic coated ones in there too. And then here's one. This one's awesome. This is the original packaging that these would have come in. Colors won't fade, chip, or peel because the color's on the inside of the bulb. And there's a look at that. I don't think I've ever gotten in one of these with the original packaging, so that's real awesome. Very good. So once again, this is some unboxing and some recent Christmas light finds. Thank you for watching. But wait, there's more. I found some of these. I've got a few missing on the lighted spheres, so I think these will be an acceptable replacement for those missing ones, providing they fit. If they don't, I think I can make them fit. They bought them at Grandpa's for $1.99. I would say these are 80s.